The cost of NKN had its own portion of high points and low points. Close to its pinnacle, the NKN cost arrived at the unequaled high of $1.48 in April 2021. The NKN cost equivalent 28 cents today, which is 1.65% more than yesterday. However, the ongoing business sector position of number 278 makes NKN underestimated. As we would see it, the cost of NKN is close to its help levels. This may be a great chance to dissect NKN cost activity and comprehend in the event that it can produce great profits from venture. The following is the accumulated examination of the innovation, the organization, and the NKN cost forecasts with the outline examination to assist you with settling on better speculation choices later on. What is NKN crypto? The authority white paper portrays NKN or new sort of organization as another age of profoundly versatile, self-boosted, and self-advancing public blockchain framework. Utilizing the cell automata procedures, NKN tends to the organization's self-development as well as decentralization for effectiveness and dynamism. The verification of work instrument accomplishes the tokenization of the NKN organization's availability and information bandwidth. NKN underlines decentralizing organization assets in a manner that is near how Ethereum and Bitcoin work by decentralizing processing power and how Filecoin and IPFS decentralize capacity. Each of this makes the NKN network productive, decentralized, leveled, secure, vigorous, and hence prepares for making an open web that is both better and more secure for money management. Why use NKN? The NKN network knows about its utilization cases and how it will utilize distributed network framework that is made upon blockchain innovation. NKN is upheld by cell automata hypothesis, which plans to upset the web with a genuine variant of local symbolic motivator and decentralization component. On top of it, they have likewise examined their own work and thought of countermeasures to forestall the accompanying assaults that may unfavorably influence their organization. A portion of these are Sybil assaults. Sybil assault suggests any situation where a misrepresentation hub attempts to be various clients. Extortion excavators can act by conveying extra duplicates and get compensated for them. Actual sending is finished by making different Sybil characters, however, just communicating information once. DOS assaults. A disconnected asset-driven assault is known as a refusal of administration or DOS assault. The aggressor wishes to focus on a specific record and keep the record holder from posting exchanges in such assaults. Eclipse assault. In this, the aggressor controls the distributed correspondence and controls a hub's neighbors to speak with malevolent hubs. The organization's weakness to such goes after relies upon the friend testing calculations and can be decreased by a cautiously picking neighbors. Double spending assault. This alludes to the situation where a similar token is spent at least a time or two. In exemplary blockchains, hubs forestall twofold spending assaults by agreement to affirm exchange grouping. NKN specialized investigation. The beneath cost outline shows how radically the cost of NKN tokens expanded utilizing a few unmistakable specialized markers. The start of the last year pushed the costs up and gave a decent revisitation of the brokers on their venture. There was high volume since last February as the cost began to increment in the improving course, causing an unpredictability expansion in the long stretches of February and walk 2021. Be that as it may, this NKN cost increment was nothing contrasted with the value ascent of April. In April 2021, the coin checked critical unpredictability, making an unequaled high at $1.48 cost level for NKN. This expansion in unpredictability is all shown by the Bollinger Groups. During a similar period, in the long stretch of April 2021, the RSI marker made an overbought signal. For this situation, the RSI accurately anticipated the cost condition as the NKN value dropped before very long. The NKN cost hit its most minimal levels in June 2021 with the least unpredictability. As of now, the market fired getting its speed and begun to move once more, and for some time, it seemed to be the NKN token was moving upwards. At present, the RSI is 76.15. The amassing appropriation marker starts to downtrend after the unequaled highs of last April 2021. This is principally in light of the fact that the typical ascent in volume began to drop, and this implies that the market began to lose revenue after the cost increment of April 2021. In the wake of arriving at the 50-day moving normal in August 2021 following the downtrend, the value began to move back up. NKN value expectations. 2022 to 2026, the accompanying NKN cost expectations utilize prescient calculations and specialized investigation to figure future present moment and long-haul costs. It is to be noticed that this doesn't imply that the future cost of NKN will be exactly something similar, as the investigation utilizes past execution. Financial backers should note that previous presentation doesn't demonstrate future cost developments. The accompanying NKN gauge ought not be deciphered as a piece of venture exhortation. Financial backers and merchants should do their own exploration prior to engaging in unstable resources. Moreover, the digital currency market is one of the peculiar business sectors where the cost can change for the time being. Financial backers and merchants the same should know about the dangers implied and do their own reasonable level of effort. Understanding gamble resilience is basic to finding your own exchanging style. In any case, we should get everything rolling to find out about the NKN token cost expectation for the present moment and long haul. NKN Value Expectation 2022. NKN's presentation was not so certain during the start of 2021. Yet before Q1 finished, it had previously arrived at its most exorbitant cost. NKN cost today is 28 cents, with a slight fall in the cost and market cap contrasted with the beyond couple of days. The normal least value worth of NKN might be 35 cents for the ongoing year. The NKN can arrive at a greatest value level of 40 cents, and the typical cost is estimated to be around 38 cents. NKN Value Expectation 2023. The NKN cost expectation recommends that the NKN worth will arrive at any rate cost of 38 cents while at the same time foreseeing a most extreme value level of 47 cents. According to our NKN figure, the typical cost level for 2023 will be close 43 cents. Contrasted with the ongoing year worth of NKN, its worth in 2023 is supposed to be served according to our figure. The authentic information and NKN cost forecasts models propose the base cost of NKN will be 35 cents. The most extreme cost will be close 53 cents, and the typical cost will be around 46 cents in the year 2024. NKN has incredible potential for a transient period and may contact new levels on the off chance that the latest thing proceeds. NKN Value Expectation 2025. The specialized examination for the year 2025 predicts the base cost of 49 cents and the greatest cost of 62 cents. The typical exchange cost will be 57 cents. The NKN cost gauge recommends that assuming the worth of the NKN coin arrives at the anticipated level, it could be an indication that the interest for the symbolic will see an unexpected spike. NKN Value Forecast 2026. There may be slight destruction in the cost in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. The NKN crypto cost expectation recommends that a base cost of 46 cents will be accomplished. The most extreme cost is supposed to be 55 cents while keeping a typical cost of 50 cents for the year 2026. What number of NKN tokens are there available for use? The ongoing business sector capitalization of the NKN coin is around $200,093,375.01, with a completely weakened market cap close $285,847,678.59. The most recent 24-hour exchanging volume was close $14,662,734.82. The flowing stockpile of NKN tokens remains at 700 million NKN. And this is 70% of the most extreme inventory conceivable, which remains at 1 billion NKN tokens. Is NKN a wise venture? We utilized specialized examination